top 6 crypto to buy or look into for February 2024. Keep in mind, I'm going to come out with different lists. This is just the first video. If I had to pick 6 objective crypto from different asset classes that I believe you should look into, whether you're a risk-averse investor or utility-based investor or just trying to make some money this cycle. By the way, before we begin, if you guys want to see when I buy crypto like this, trade crypto, sell crypto, made some moves recently, or you want to talk to me, reach out to me, be a part of voice chat hangouts, be a part of a like-minded support group of wolves, all independent investors who want to change their lives forever. Patreon and Discord. I'll leave a link in the pinned comments down below. We're going to kick it off. Number 1, Casper, which I feel like has been on this list now for many months. It's priced at 10 cents, block that tech, layer 1, proof of work, fairly launched, has Jonathan behind it. Tier 1 listing catalysts, which have yet to take place. They are decentralized in the marketplace. They now have 79%. They added 1% in the last week alone. They're going to have 80% in circulating supply once the Bitcoin halving takes place in a couple months. Casper, it's in a downtrend. It's at a big discount. The all-time high was 15 cents. I see Casper going to minimum $2 this cycle and upwards of $5 this cycle, which is a 20 to a 50x from here. Definitely a good gain, whether you're risk averse or not. I think Casper should be a part of everybody's portfolios. There's no VCs behind it, no private investors. There's a lot of bearish sentiment right now for Casper, which for me screams buying opportunity, which is why I've been DCing into it as of recent. So Casper to me, definitely worth looking into, and I think is a great asset, especially for this month. Number 2, Salana, priced at around $100. All-time high previously was $260. 43 billion market cap. This crypto is a lot different than Casper. It is VC backed. There's private investors. However, the majority of them did leave once FTX and the Sam Bankman-Fried collapse took place. 436 million circulating supply. They are inflationary, which does suppress the price action to an extent. However, their ecosystem is very good. Salana as a blockchain is very good. It is cheap. It is fast. It is easy to use. They were hot in NFTs. A lot of developers love them because they use Rust, which is a very popular, preferred programming language. Salana has a lot of good things going for it. They're very good at marketing. In fact, I think they have the best marketing in the entire space, which is saying a lot. They do AMAs all the time. Anatoly Yakovenko is always on YouTube. They're coming out with a saxophone, a part 2. Like, they're literally the most innovative VC-backed crypto out there in the market. In terms of where I see it this cycle, I originally said 500 way back when. I now think they can 10x from here and hit $1,000 in the most bullish scenario, but I will put a range of anywhere from $700 to $1,000. So for those who are looking for a hedge or a more risk-averse play, I think Salana at this price at around $100 or preferably below if you see more of a dip is definitely a good time to be looking at it for February 2024. Number 3, Say, another VC-backed private investor allocated layer 1 crypto. However, it is brand new. It's only been around for like 6 months. They got strong connections. I love the team. They have a former Robinhood software engineer, and they also have a former Goldman Sachs banker on the team. They're both co-founded it. They have great connections. A lot of money was raised. The all-time high previously was 89 cents. They almost got to $1, then they had a little sell-off. Right now, it's currently 63 cents. They're a 1.5 billion market cap currently. With the circulating supply, they only have roughly 24% circulating supply though. So they have high inflation, and they do have a decently high allocation to the team, which means selling pressure in the near future. However, even with the large allocation, the majority of the team and VCs can't sell until August of this year. So we're not going to see a huge dip till at the very least August, which is still 7 months away. But I think the majority of them, if I had to guess, are going to wait until 2025 to really take profits. If indeed we see the rip take place in 2025, I just see no reason why the VCs would just, sell too early. But anything could happen. But right now, it's on a dip. It's 63 cents. It's a brand new crypto. I think it's going to rocket ship this cycle. I would not be surprised if it hits $10 minimum, which is very doable with a circulating supply. Definitely a little riskier than most, but I think Say being a new and upcoming layer 1, they market themselves as being a faster Salana, which I think They have a very good chance at proving that. I see no reason why Say cannot rip it this cycle. This is a crypto that's going to prove that connections do matter in the space. So it's who you know, not what you know. I think Say is going to prove that to a T this cycle, which is why I think it should be on your watch list for this month. Number 4, Artblock, ticker symbol ABT, a bullish microcap for me. It's priced at 34 cents, 34 million market cap, 98.6 million circulating supply, 186 million coin cap. Artblock is showing signs of life because their ecosystem is fully developed. They have finished products. They've tweeted this on Twitter. I'll put a screenshot to show you guys. I always get asked, hey, John, why are you bullish on this if it hasn't reached an all-time high last bull cycle? Because they haven't marketed. They weren't on a tier 1. They're on Coinbase now, and they didn't have an active ecosystem. They didn't focus on marketing. All of that now is going out the window. Robert Mao is one of the best founders in the space, very knowledgeable, very informative. He's forming connections. A lot of his connections at first were overseas. They are now starting to form here, which is why we're seeing it rise a lot in the past year. Artblock ABT is scarce enough and has strong utility to rocket ship like this. You will see in due time. I think minimum $10, which is a 1 billion market cap. Yes, you heard that correctly. Is very doable at a minimum for Artblock. And I would say anywhere from $10 to $20 is very doable for Artblock this cycle. It has similar utility and is comparable with Polkadot and Cosmos, both of which have been multi-billion-dollar market caps. It merges blockchains. It also creates blockchains. It can scale dApps to centralized applications. And it's also a layer 1. It's an ERC20, but they're also a mainnet layer 1 with no gas fees. This, alongside their DID, decentralized identity, allowing developers to use Blockwits to build a decentralized web, which is very similar to ICP. I see Artblock blowing up this cycle, which is why I've been dollar cost averaging into it as of recent and why I'm very bullish and think you should be looking at it for this month. Number 5, LCX, priced at 27 cents. All-time high previously was 68 cents. It is now less than a 3x from the all-time high. Super bullish chart. It has been rising up significantly. It's a 206 million market cap. Just getting to $1 is less than a 1 billion market cap. I said it before, LCX is forming connections. Like Say, it's the who you know, not what you know crypto. They have a lot of good partnerships. They're part of the World Economic Forum. They got a lot of companies and banks that want to see LCX become a blockchain bank. You're not going to see a blockchain bank at a 206 million market cap. LCX has a potential to be anywhere from $3 to $5 at a minimum this cycle. But this is the one crypto where I don't know where it can go. It can be $10+ this cycle. Cryptos like Uniswap reached 20 billion market cap. PancakeSwap went to a multi-billion-dollar market cap. If LCX were to just copy Uniswap in market cap this cycle, it would be $20. Imagine this price, 27 cents, almost 100x to $20. But me being a very conservative YouTuber, I would still say $3 to $5, but I honestly think $5 is the minimum for LCX this cycle. I am super bullish. I like Monty. They're trying to tokenize trillions of dollars of assets. Being a blockchain bank, working with the people they're working with, you're not going to see LCX for much longer below $1 billion in market cap. The chart looks amazing. It speaks for itself, and I am super bullish on it. And I have also been dollar cost averaging into this crypto. And number 6, Quant, priced at around $100. Maximum fear, maximum FUD for this crypto, like I saw at LCX and Artblock and Say and Casper and even Salana when I sold it a while back. When I see fear, when I see FUD, especially for a utility play that I'm bullish on, I look to DCA. I look to buy and accumulate. I bought a crap ton of this at $40. Seeing it back at $100 with maximum FUD and fear amongst retail makes me want to buy it aggressively this month, which I'm probably going to do. I think Quant, with the players they're working with, their utility they have, their business model they have, the founder and team behind this, I see no reason why Quant can't be a 4-figure coin this cycle. I think Quant could 10x at a minimum, and I wouldn't be surprised if that is the base to where it goes this cycle. It's only got less than 15 million total supply, and Quant has very low inflation and a lot of good partnerships. I would not be surprised if we see this FUD disappear very soon and we see Quant rise again. I think Quant should definitely be a part of everyone's watch list, and I think at this price is a steal in my opinion. So these are my top 6 crypto that I think you guys should be looking to get into, or at the very least add to your watch list for this month. Do you hold any of these 6 crypto? And if so, which one of these right now are you most bullish on for this cycle? Drop your comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Really helps so much. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.